In this video we are going to unbox the Black & Decker angle grinder, which I have recently ordered and today I have received it. As you can see, package is completely securely packed. As you can see, it is securely packed by Amazon. Let us try to open it by cutting. Cutting it at some edge, we get the angle and grinder. We get our box and angle grinder. Keeping this aside, and let us check the overall features of this angle grinder. It is Black & Decker angle grinder and of 820 watts and 4 inches. It supports 4-inch grinder, that is 100 mm up there. It's of 820 watts. Let's see. And supports the rotation of 12,000 RPM. Cable consists of an 2-meter length. And it comes in a 1-year warranty. Let us try to open what's inside the box. Let us check it out. Here comes the angle grinder, which is the main unit, and a key frame, and a big Black & Decker handle to support while cutting or while doing some grinding work. And this is a keychain to tighten the grinder. Putting this box aside, and it comes a Black & Decker manual and then warranty card. This comes with the angle Black & Decker angle grinder manual. Keeping this as well aside, this is the handle, angle grinder handle to support while doing some work. Let us try to open this main unit. This is the angle grinder Black from the pen company Black & Decker. It's model number G720. Let's see the highlight features of this. It is Black & Decker G70 small angle grinder, 800 watt it says here. On the top it is provided with a safety guard made up of steel for the protection against the wastes or grinder wheel failure. And this cable consists of an 2-meter length. On the top is provided with a button to help in tightening the screw against the wheel grinder. It comes with a safety guard which is made up of steel and a key to open this steel guard and then rotating it like that. Steel guard is quite heavy. Let us try to check it out how it is working. Let me plug it into the power supply to check it how it is working. Here I have plugged it into the power supply. Let us check it out how it is working. It is quite fast working. That is all for now in this video. Hope you have enjoyed. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.